friend Kiki. Happy to see all of you again. Today, we're going to paint colorful sea animals. So we will use sponge and glitter. Come, let's start.
Sunny day I'm happy. On a sunny day I smile. Flowers bloom in the sunlight. We play outside and we go and look for butterflies. On a rainy day I'm happy. Smile. Hills and trees look fresh and green, and I see rainbow-colored umbrellas in the streets. On a windy day I'm happy. On a windy day I smile. All the leaves shake and fly, and my kite is flying high in the sky.
Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom, I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom, I love you. Together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. hope you have fun painting the sea animals with your family, friends, or by yourself. Spending time to relax and have fun together to paint the colorful animals can make us feel happy. I will continue to post new videos for you because I care and love all of you as my friends to enjoy my arts and crafts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye.